Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to find recorded videos saved as draft in CapCut. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to record a video with CapCut camera. So I'm going to click on the camera option, and here I'm going to start to record a video. Okay, and now the video has been recorded and we are going to save this video as draft. We can click on this little arrow and click on this expand on the top left. Then here we have three options, and since we want to save as draft, we can click on save as draft. And if you want to find this recorded video saved as draft, we just need to go back to the CapCut homepage. And this is the video we have just recorded with the CapCut camera. And we can open it by tapping on the video. Then we can edit the video, or we can also immediately export this video to our device. Alright guys, and that's how we can find a recorded video saved as draft in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.